video, I'll be replacing the shower head. It's not just your typical shower head. This one don't unscrew. It actually has a gasket that shoves in and then has a set screw on top. Pretty decent unit though. It's got a set screw on the top of it that you have to take off to free it up some. I've been plumbing for about 23 years, and this is the first time I've ever changed a shower head like this. It's pretty neat to still learn. Well, it's working good now. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up.